What's happening, people? It's your boy Tolly here, back with another video. This one isn't that great of quality as I only had my GoPro with me at the time. I didn't have my actual camera, but regardless, still a great video. It was actually the last Mpire car meet before the second UK lockdown. We had bikes there, we had cars there, we had flames going on, we had fireworks, we had people drifting. It was so lit. I can't wait for the next car meet. It's going to be absolutely crazy. Hopefully this UK lockdown doesn't stay for too long and it finishes in December when it's supposed to. But you know, Boris, you always chat shit. But yeah, it was absolutely lit, such a fun night. I didn't get to capture everything from the night because I only had my GoPro and I kept running out of batteries and stuff like that. So it was really annoying that I didn't have my camera with me, but yeah, still absolutely lit night. And yeah, I hope you guys all enjoy.
Oh, no. 2 GTRs pulling up. Got who, bro?
No, it's the feds, bro. I'm telling you.
That's what I mean. It's like something to crash. Let's crash this all the ticking.
Oh shit. No. What have I done?
Oh, man,
no. Fuck. I fucked it. Fucked it.
2020 on focus, 014 I was homeless. Like where my young boy called M next
GTR's come round. Oh, there's bare whips here, bro. They're all banging whips.
Let's no man curse every other day, yeah, man get burst. On the net, but you're not direct in the flesh, you fucking nerd. In a car with a 10-year bird, then I look clean when we come from the rap thing. Every other block, so we came up trying to block things.
Give him a little pop.
Yo, stop that, bro.
Hey! That's cute. Nice. Ambulance there.
Silence.
Try to run up on me with no weapon.
Which drug are you taking?
When I put on my block, I'm a legend.
Look at these.
Shit!
Is that GT? Yeah.
Huh? No, that's a Mustang, that is.
Mustang, yeah. Bit of American muscle.
That's bad.
I think everyone's leaving, you know.
Yeah, I think you drive up and then just show off your car and fucking drive back down, literally. What's happening, boy? Huh? That's right, innit? Good there. This is lit, man. There's bare cars here.
That's a good spot to film.
Yeah, I know, bro. Bro, don't tell me about it. Be careful. Me out of anyone. Fucking hell. I look at that plate. Yo! Which way? New location. Okay, sweet, brother. Thank you, brother. I write that down quick. 2PG.
Tame his whip, but sick, brother.
Oh, that's nice. Nice, man. It's a nice whip, man. Huh? I know, it's a bit better, isn't it?
Oh, that's a pod. Are you mad?
That's sick. Fight life. Shit. Woo! Woo!
Still ain't got his lights on.
I know. Hey! Jeez! Gaboos! Huh?
The flames of that.
That was mad. Shit. Oh, look at this, bro.
Gas from London, gas from money.
But this is mad thin, bro. What the this is a walkway, isn't it? Literally.
Oh, that's mad. Wembley. 2 GTRs, though.
Yeah.
This one is nice.
Yeah.
Shiny black. Very nice.
Isn't it?
The fire on his looks sick. Hey.
Oh, what's this car doing, man? Fuck off, man. Hey, 2 GTRs up. Woo! Whipping it.
Is that Billy? Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, oh. Really, bro? Whoa, that's a big flame! Yeah. Oh, that's fucked. Shit. Oh, that is beautiful, man. Fucking hell. Woo! Night racer as well, yeah? Jeez! Yeah, that looks sick. Jeez.
You ready, yeah?
Yeah, man. What are you saying? What are you pushing horsepower? 700. Fucking hell. What are you, stage 4.25? 4.45. Fucking hell, bro. You might have a run. You might beat me then. Fucking hell. Ooh, that is beautiful though, man. I love the colour. What is it? It's a good combination. I love the lights as well, man. Where'd you get them? 2018. Oh, mate, it's fucking beautiful. Jesus. Yeah, I know. It's quick, isn't it?
Look at Borat, Oh, how the fuck is he doing that?
That's mad. Jeez, loud G. Oi, that is surty, bro. Hey! Hey!
That is loud.
I need a drink after that one. Fucking hell. Jesus.
That vibrated.
Yeah. That was mad loud, bro.
You gotta think he's probably been driving that for a while.
Yeah, exactly. I've had this for 2 weeks, you know what I mean?
2 weeks, say it.
Yeah.
Yeah, just over 2 weeks. It's a whip.
That?
A1 S3.
A1 S3, there's no such thing, bro.
S1.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
This one. Little power slide.
I love doing that, innit?
Yeah, man, it's fucking sick.
Fun to do. What is that?
What is that? That's like an old school Beamer, that is.
That sounds like a hairdryer, bro.
What's this car doing? So he's just a nutter, he is. That's when it's loud, bro. Hey. Hey. lit, man, we lit. Huh? Come on! What are you saying? Woo! Oh, the cool bike's not here already as well. Yeah. Oh, this is lit. We out here, man. We lit.
Spitting like 2 meter flames.
Bruv, that was fucking powerful, G. Powerful.
I want to see what the bang is.
But it's mental, bruv. Absolutely mental. Oh, we got some works. We should have brought some fireworks down. That'd have been lit.
This is a bit mad, bro.
Bro, I'm telling you, this is
Your
sick.
car's louder than that, bro.
Aye. We fucking lit, man. Aye. Woo. Oh, we got the Bike Life gang here. What are you saying, boys? Aye. Aye, this is lit, man. Fucking hell.
Need to hook man up, fam.
Huh?
Need to hook man up, bro.
Come on, man. Aye. That is not a joke, bro. Fucking hell, bro. Woo. I'm getting hot, bro. Fucking hell.
Through the roof.
Come on, man. Jeez. Alright, love my brother. Have a good one, man. Where's Clemmy? Hey! I saw you went to school with him.
Oh, is that Patrick?
Patrick, yeah. That is, isn't it?
Swear down.
Let me get in front of it. One sec, one sec, one sec. Oi! Clemmy! Jeez! Oi! We saying, my brother? Oi! What are you saying, cuz? Where can I park up? I need a parking spot.
Down there it's all full.
Is it?
Did you not see any spaces down there?
There was a few, but far down.
There, fam.
Fuck.
Because down there is fucking packed.
Is it?
Go on the left side on the road, but then you're on the strip, innit?
Yeah. No, I'll park down there somewhere, innit? Fuck it.
Roll in it, just roll in it.
Yeah, fuck it. Sweet boys, have a good one. Got hella people.
Flame in the
Aye! Aye, we lit, Clemmy, man! Huh?
Most likely they're gonna go Croydon later.
Croydon, I'm there,
Going
man.
home, but most likely that's where we're gonna go, innit?
Say that, I'll be there.
I don't know, again.
Joking.
Where are you tooting? Are you mad? Are you stupid? Man, a man just get wooed. No Jimmy's just throat set just at a shop with a hostess. 2020 on focus, 014 I was homeless. Like where do I start off? My young M next part I'm in the zone of the park. Big truck north of Slough, I'm going to the park. Yeah, step in the stop. On me or the loot, boys in the back of the car.
It's alright, man, it's fucking cold, man.
Put your bum in the air, let me go.
You say, man.
Come and gone if we lose it. Let me go. Yo, come and gone if we lose it. Yo, my nigga gone.
Go on, Toad.
Just one. For the culture.
What's happening, bro? Banger. Show the first quick.
Go on. Not like that.
Gunshots.
shaking his head.
Fucking man, fuck his face, bro. Go on. Ready, yeah?
Shit, he's coming. Close the window.
No, don't put the window up, bro. Right, mate. There's a law against driving a car in any social manner. One more warning and you get your vehicle seized, alright? Vehicle seized? Yep. You can't do that, mate. Under what law? Okay, thank you.
Just go, bro. Just go.
Right. Sorry, lads.
Right, we need to move out of the way, guys. Let it go. Go, mate.
Car's getting seized, you know. No, I clocked.
You're lucky you didn't stop that.
Well, I just wanted to shut him down and close the window.
About time, anyway. Still probably hear it.
Shit. Right, we need to let her cool down for a minute now. No more pops.
Fuck you.
He was pissed, you know.
He was pissed.
Do you know why? It's because you kept banging it and I kept fucking
You know.
in their face. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
He just saw my hand come out with the
He
phone.
was.
You
He was hating us, G.
He was the guy shaking his head, bro. He was the one
same
shaking
guy,
his
yeah.
head. And then the next thing you know, Chelsea,
Fuck
dog,
you.